Hey guys, so Gary back here with Insomnia and Philosophy for another video for you guys today. I'm going to be talking about another financial option. This is just kind of what I am doing, but I had a buddy of mine recently ask me, hey Gary, where can I save some money at that I would have somewhat easy access to that's not in my regular savings account? And what I would say is this. First, get Coinbase. Link that to your bank account and then get a PayPal. Okay? Once you have a PayPal, get the PayPal debit card sent out to you. All right? Now, you can fund Coinbase directly with a debit card from your bank. So, whatever you would want, I think it's only $100 a day, or you can fund it via wire transfer, which you can do much larger amounts. I would say for an initial deposit, probably do the wire transfer and let it, do it towards the beginning, like on a Monday or Tuesday. So by Wednesday or Thursday, it's already in there for you. But what I would say to invest in is it's a cryptocurrency called Tezos. It's Tezos, and the ticker is XTZ. Now, why this, you say, Gary? Because annually, it pays 5.60%. That's right, 5.60%. There's not a lot of stocks out there that pay above a 3% dividend. And on top of that, yes, that's the annual percentage yield, if you will. But once you have your money in there, in either is on Coinbase, or you can also have a Tezos wallet, which is another way to go about it, and you have that cryptocurrency in there for 35 to 40 days. It pays that initial amount to your already existing balance, if you will. Then every 3 days, whatever is accumulated pays to your balance. And based on what your current balance is what's going to keep accumulating. So technically you're compounding every 3 days. Those cents turn into dollars, those dollars turn into tens, those tens turn into hundreds into thousands. So if you invest in this cryptocurrency early, it's only around plus it's only around like $1 something a cryptocurrency right now. This is going to be huge. This is big. My opinion on it anyways, it's going to be big. Like I said, do your own research, do your own studying on it. But I'm not a financial analyst when it comes to cryptocurrency or anything like that. This is just what I'm doing, but I'm sharing you guys what I'm doing. And for me, this is what I'm doing. I'm investing in it. I buy more off of Coinbase. I move it over to my baking wallet, or I leave some on Coinbase to bake there. And after the initial 35 to 40 days, it paid me out. And now every 3 days, I am making more and more cryptocurrency, and I make more. I make more than I did in the last 3 days every time, because it's adding more to it. So it's going to grow, and then I'm adding more to it as well. So it's really, and then if you need to, you could sell it off, send it to your PayPal, send it to your bank account, whatever you need to do, whatever you want to do. It's a great way. So check that out. I'm also going to put the link below to Coinbase. If you do use that link, for complete transparency, I get $10. I think maybe you do too. And I'm also going to go ahead and put my Robinhood and my M1 Finance link down below too. So I love each and every one of you guys. If you found this video helpful at all, I appreciate it if you can go ahead and give me that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share the video. Thank you guys so much. I love you.